In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a workflow using a form on a Hubspot page. This is an incredibly useful tool for streamlining your operations and automating your interactions with potential customers. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to expand your use, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure everything is set up correctly. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the automation section in your HubSpot dashboard, and from there, select workflows. This is where we will create a new workflow dedicated to capturing contacts from a form submission. Once you're in the workflow section, you'll see an option that says create workflow. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll be presented with different types of workflows. For our purposes, you need to choose the contact-based workflow type, as our objective is to track and edit contact information based on form input. Now, you're in the workflow editor. This is where the magic happens. The first thing we need to do is click on the card labeled Set Up Triggers. Triggers are conditions that initiate the workflow, and in this case, our trigger will be a form submission. You'll want to select form submissions from the list of available triggers. This means that every time someone submits the form we choose, the workflow will be activated. Next, it's time to specify which form you want to use. This is crucial because it tells HubSpot precisely which form submissions should be monitored. You'll see a list of all the forms that you've created within HubSpot. Simply select the specific form you want your contacts to be added from. Double check that you have selected the correct one, as this ensures that your workflow accurately reflects the forms on your webpage. Now that we've set our trigger and selected our form, it's time to finalize your workflow actions. You can configure the specific actions you want the workflow to take once triggered, whether it's sending an email, updating contact properties, or any other actions that align with your objectives. Once everything is set up to your liking, it's crucial to review your entire workflow. Make sure all your steps are correctly configured, as this will be the model that manages your contact data automatically. Finally, the last step is perhaps the most straightforward but crucial. Click Turn On. This activates your workflow, allowing HubSpot to start recording all form submissions according to the setup you've just completed. And there you have it. Your workflow is now up and running, poised to efficiently manage contacts from your HubSpot form submissions. This setup can save you significant time and ensure you don't miss out on any valuable customer interactions. Thanks for joining today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.